hear something that
Yeah.
you have to play.
Sounds good.
You can jam for maybe a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
I showed you this hang drum now, which we made out of LPG cylinder.
Yeah. Did you have that with you right now, or it's lying there somewhere?
Yeah, it's over there. So.
But yeah, this is what it looks like essentially.
This was my weekend project.
No, it was quite amazing to see. I mean, I've not seen any DIY one before that much, so. And you've built many more of these also, you said, right?
Very distributed.
So yeah, I mean that's a part of very short. It's much longer, but like in the interest of time, I was playing a short version of it. But yeah. So basically, every fortnight or at least once a month, I try to do shows after work.
Are you on SoundCloud or Spotify?
I am on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, all the.
So tell us your handle. How do people find you?
Ashim Bery. So ASHIMBERY.